Welcome to IER, your best source for complete custom electrical equipment such as switchboards, contactors, motor controls, control panels, breaker panels, and custom NEMA enclosures. Our knowledgeable sales team assists with quoting, pricing, design, and delivery. Our design team includes professionally trained AutoCAD designers and licensed electrical engineers using the latest 3D CAD software. IER utilizes Amada CNC laser and turret punch systems for precise sheet metal cutting. Our CNC press brakes provide exact custom bending and forming of stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminum sheet metal and brackets. IER's experienced welding department applies expert welds to brackets and enclosures using MIG, TIG, and stick welding. IER is a full-service powder coating facility offering high-quality industrial finishes. Our modern CNC copper fabrication equipment provides precise hole punching and copper bus bar bending capabilities. Trained assembly and wiring techs allow IER to provide high-quality custom electrical equipment, panel boards, control panels, switchboards, and explosion-proof equipment, all with quick ship options. Expedited and drop ship options are available. Contact IER today for more information on how we can help.